Hello children, so in today's video we are going to see chapter number 18, changes in the family and neighborhood of EVS 1. So see, here are some photographs of year 1950, 1970, 1990 and today. So try this. Gather the following information about your family from your parents and grandparents. So first question is, how many people were there in your family in each year shown above? Second question is, did the number of people in your family change every time? Third question is, how did the change occur? So to answer this question, see what is given. Each family may have a different number of people. This number does not remain the same. As the time passes, it may increase or decrease. Marriage is one of the reasons for such loss or gain. You may have seen an aunt or a cousin wife joining your family after getting married, or another aunt or cousin getting married and joining another family. Then the number of people in a family also change due to birth and death. A family grows when the new generation is born. When number of family pass away due to reason like old age, illness or accident, the number of its member is reduced. So what is there in this paragraph, children? That each family may not have same number. They have different number of people. This number does not remain same, means every time the number is changing. The number is not remaining the same. As time passes, it may decrease, means the number of family member may increase or decrease. It may decrease due to marriage or accident. Next is, marriage is one of the reason for such loss or gain. For example, you see, if you have if your aunt or your cousin wife getting married and joining your family, or the another example is your aunt or cousin getting married and joining another family, means there is an increase or decrease in your increase in the number of family member. So the number of people in a family also changes due to birth or death. Okay, a family grows when the new generation is born, means there is an increase in number of family when someone is born. When member of family pass away due to reason like old age, illness or accident, there is reduction in number of family members. Okay, so next is what? Sometimes children in a family go to another place for their education. Also some members take up jobs or occupation in other places. So moving from one place to another place in order to live there is called migration. Thus, due to migration, marriages, birth and death, the number of people in family goes on changing. So some peoples, they go from one place to another place. So it is called as a migration. So migration occurs because of a job, study or marriages. So migration, marriages, birth and death, this causes the effect on changes in family number. It is not only in our family that we see these changes. This occur in entire society. So this is not occurring in our family only, but it is occurring in all society. So see on next page what is given. Birds also migrate, means birds also move from one place to another place. So we will see what is there. Many birds migrate in search of food and shelter. You have seen a flock of swans flying in a V formation in the sky. Have you heard about the beautiful flamingos? Every year they migrate from one place to another at a fixed time. Some birds fly far away while others do not go very far. So we can see flamingos at several places in Maharashtra between October and March. Birds fly in a flock. Even though they stay together in a flock, they do not have families or neighbors like human beings. So what is there? Birds also migrate. Means birds also move from one place to another place in search of food or in search of shelter. So have you seen flamingos? Yes, the one of the example of migratory birds are flamingos. So these birds, they migrate from one place to another place at fixed time. At fixed time. So from uh, from October to March, they migrate from one place to another place in search of food and shelters. Now see what is next. So can you tell? Look at the pictures of stamp given alongside. So see children, here are picture of different stamps are given. So which changes are depicted on this stamp? So different stamps are given. So different pictures are there on the stamps. They are also their color is also different here. So when a member of a family goes far away for some reason, he stays in touch with the family through letters, telephone calls, and now the internet. These modern means of communication have brought the world close together. So, children, if your family member is going from far away from you or from your family, means the family member is getting migrating because of job, studying, etc., or marriage. So you are getting touch with that member by letter, telephone, calls, or internet. So internet is one of the modern mode of communication. Now this, which brings the world closer and closer. So thank you.